Welcome to our video on the innovative world of conductive paper and conductive paint. In this video, we'll guide you through its unique abilities and emphasize the importance of following our product manuals for safe and effective use. What makes conductive paper and conductive paint so special?
It's designed to provide warmth by converting electrical energy into heat in a healthy way. However, using it correctly is crucial to avoid safety hazards. You cannot take shortcuts at installation. Always ask an electrician to connect it to the utility grid. Don't do it yourself.
Why is it important to follow the manuals?
The manuals provides clear step-by-step instructions to ensure conductive paper and conductive paint are applied safely and effectively, preventing potential risks.
What could happen if the instructions aren't followed?
Incorrect application can lead to situations which can compromise both safety and the product's functionality.
Is the installing person responsible for any damage or safety issues arising from incorrect use?
Just like every product or any other electrical appliance, the responsibility for safe use lies with the installer. The supplier cannot be held accountable for accidents and damages caused by misuse or neglect.
It is of big importance that the installers ensure that they properly prepare the surfaces where the heating solution is applied, as outlined in the instructions. Please follow carefully each step in the manual and refer to additional instructional videos on the InfraSun website if needed. Only on this way, the installers can ensure a safe and successful application.
What should installers do if they're unsure about a step?
It's essential to consult the manual or watch the step-by-step installation video on InfraSun's website to avoid any potential mistakes.
Can you give an example of a common mistake?
A frequent mistake is not preparing the surface properly, which affects the adhesion and could create safety risks. Another critical mistake is connecting the system directly to a high-voltage grid, which can cause immediate overheating or electric shocks. Only touch safe extra low voltage from 24-volt DC to 55-volt DC must be used.
How can installers avoid such mistakes?
By double-checking every step in the manual and ensuring that the correct voltage is used, installers can prevent errors and ensure smooth, safe installation.
What are the benefits of using conductive paper and conductive paint correctly?
When applied properly, it provides efficient, affordable heat, reducing your energy bill by up to 30% compared to traditional heating systems, making it a cost-effective choice for any household.
Why is it important for DIY enthusiasts to follow the manual?
Even experienced DIYers should strictly adhere to the manual to ensure safety, achieve the desired heating or shielding effect, and comply with local safety standards. Remember, InfraSun only provides the components for the application you are using. With DIY installation, you are entirely responsible for any risks involved. InfraSun offers ideas on how to use their products, but it's crucial to understand and be aware of the risks that can arise from improper handling. What should installers keep in mind when installing and using conductive paper and conductive paint?
Again, qualified electricians should always handle connections to the main electrical supply, ensuring that they meet local standards and regulations for safety. Don't bring your loved ones and yourself in danger.
What is the key takeaway for all users of conductive paper and conductive paint?
The most important point is to strictly follow the manual to ensure safety, effectiveness, and to avoid any liability issues. InfraSun and affiliated imported products are completely safe when properly installed and used as intended.
And how can users ensure they have the latest information?
Regularly check the InfraSun website for updates and always use the latest version of the manual provided with the product to stay informed about any new safety guidelines. We are at the end of this video now. That was a brief overview of health and safety. It's important to take it seriously. You don't want to risk any accidents. Follow the guidelines and everything will work perfectly. You and your customers will enjoy the InfraSun system to the fullest. And if you have any issues with the installation, you can always watch our videos and use our online tools on our website for free. I hope you have a successful and affordable experience with our InfraSun products.